I ducked out the other day and missed the courier. The courier couldn't leave my package in the letterbox, so I assumed it was the large package I was expecting. So I took the trailer and my hand trolley to the courier's depot to pick up my package, and it turned out to be this package. So we're going to open it up and have a look, see what's in the box. So what we have is a 16 colour underwater pool light with remote. Now when I saw it on the picture, I thought it was about the size of a frisbee, but it turns out it isn't. It doesn't matter. So it comes in a cardboard box, bubble wrap, and a little plastic package. We have the light, which is a nice plastic unit, some instructions, and a remote. So let's fire it up and have a look. Give you a closer look firstly. Alright, there's the remote. And there's the actual light, LED light. I might have to read the instructions because I can't see an on-off switch on the light. I can see an on-off switch here, but can't see one here. Now it came with batteries, so I'm going to have to read the instructions and I'll give you a preview this evening when it gets dark. Okay, I've been having a closer look. The back screws off the LED lights. The batteries are included, but they're still packaged and they're not installed yet. So that's probably the first problem. I'll install the batteries. And the remote has a plastic protector there so the batteries can't engage. Okay, batteries installed. Here we go. So this evening we'll give it a real test.